To start, open Valorant from your desktop. Click on the game icon to launch it. Once in the main menu, locate the gear icon at the bottom right. Click it to access settings. In settings, find the audio tab on the left side. This is where the magic happens. Look for the voice chat section. Here, you can adjust your microphone settings. Ensure your microphone is selected. You can test it using the provided audio test feature. Lastly, hit apply to save your settings. You're now ready to communicate with your team. Check your audio levels before jumping into a game. Make adjustments as needed for optimal clarity. Ensure your team can hear you by joining a practice match. Communication is key. Now you're ready. Use your microphone to strategize and dominate rounds in Valorant. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep adjusting until you find what works best for you. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for your next gaming adventure. Thanks for watching. Now, go out there and make your voice heard in Valorant.